Sabi ni Chloe, yan, dito ka Ray, dito ka Ray. Ray, dito ka Ray. Yan, diyan malapit kay Chloe para makasama. Yes, so sige. Happy birthday ni Chloe kay Daddy. Ano muna sasabihin mo, Daddy?
Daddy, happy birthday. I love you, God bless.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Sige. Oh, hug mo si Daddy, hug. Hug mo si Daddy. Wow. Happy birthday. Wow. Kita nyo? 3 gabi niya yung pinagpuyatan. Okay. God bless, Ray. Thank you, thank you. Dapat ba't yung anda? Sa lamesa. Ray. Ray, huwag ka munang alis.